Okay, I'm gonna take off my shoes.
Why are you taking off your
Take
shoe?
off my shoe. Hold this. Hold my shoe.
A shoe does
I know
this?
how to unlock the car with a shoe.
With a shoe?
Hold my shoe. Hold my shoe. I'm gonna take the laces off. Okay?
Guys, I really need to understand.
Trust me. This is gonna work. Okay. So all you need is the shoelace. The first
Shoelace?
Look. Pay attention. You're gonna tie just an overhand knot, and you want a loop about this big. Okay. So we're just gonna tie a knot like this.
Just like that.
Look, so I have the knot. I have about a medium-sized loop. This is exactly what you want. Now pay attention to this corner right here,
Yeah.
the door. You want to sneak this knot inside like this into the car, okay? This really works, okay?
One more time.
Okay, look. You're going to take the knot,
Yeah.
right? And inside of this, you're just going to slide it down and it goes right in the car, okay? So you want to pull that down, lower that
No
down.
way.
See how it's inside now? Now the goal is to get this loop onto the lock and it's gonna lock. Just watch this. You just want to lower this. You want to be very gentle, okay? And the goal is to catch it on either direction, from the left or from the right.
So you just use your hands like that. Just in and out. Hands going in and out.
In and out. It's gonna take some time to get it, but trust me, you're gonna save way more time and money than you will if you have to call a locksmith to open this up.
I still don't get how it's
So you see, you're gonna see in just a second. See how it's already about to catch on like this? Watch this, okay?
Oh, you got
Around, look. See how I got it caught on? I do exactly what you want. Now pay attention. With this hand, you want to maintain your grip. I like to double this my hand around the waist, okay? And then this hand, you just want to do a very, very tight grip because what you want to do, look at the lock. You want to pull it. See how I'm creating that leverage? See, with this lace that's right here, this on the right hand, take a close look at this. I'm gonna pull this one. You want to create as much tightness between the two shoelaces as possible.
Okay.
So watch this. I'm just gonna pull this, and you just want to keep pulling it back and forth like this, and then eventually it's gonna pop up. So watch this. I'm about to get it right now. Okay. So we're just gonna hold this here, right? Pull. I'm just gonna pull. You see, it's starting to move just a little. Okay. The keys are in the car.
These are in
And
there.
remember, all we're using is a shoelace, okay? And remember, even if you don't have a shoelace, you can use the drawstring on your hoodie, on your pants, whatever you have, and this is gonna work. So watch this. I think I got it here. Watch this. I'm just gonna pull tight. Remember, maintaining the tightness, and watch this. Pull, keep pulling, keep pulling, keep pulling.